guys, welcome to the last day in Wonderland. Oh, it's like the beginning, because at the beginning I was doing these kinds of things and the store looked kind of like this. But now, oh my gosh. Okay, so plan of action today. 1, I'm going to take the futon and the TV and this other table that's in the back room. 2, I'm going to come get the flower wall and the decor, perhaps the glitter bar at that time. 3, I'm going to take this aisle of things right here. 4, I'm going to get the arch out. 5, I'm going to clear out this. And then I have to load Wish into my car because I have to take it home so that I can ship it back. And then I'm just gonna have to take just this little area of stuff, and then we're done. Well, I'm gonna like sweep, mop, and dust and make sure everything's really nice and clean, but then we're done. So I'm gonna start here with the futon. I've already kind of started getting it going. I don't really like to take things out the back door because it's annoying. There's like the step here, and then there's the hill and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna move my truck, and then I'm gonna grab the TV, grab the tables, and then I'm gonna come around to the front, grab more chairs, and then get to getting. So let's do that. We have some casualties. I dropped the glitter bar. I knew I would. I just, like, the box ripped on the side right here. I lost my grip. So far, I'm only seeing 3 casualties. I'll know, 4. I'll know more, obviously, when I can take everything out. But I am sad. I'm very sad. Yeah, cool, yay. 4 casualties. Oh well. It's the price we pay for being stupid. Let's keep unpacking. Real talk. It's times like this that you kind of realize being an entrepreneur freaking is super hard. I've done all the what you saw and I'm kind of alone and very tired. I have had a lot of help from people, but like I've done the majority of this on my own and in 4 days, and that's just like a little testament to what being an entrepreneur is like, to being a business owner, to running your business. You're on your own and you're freaking so tired. Your back hurts, everything hurts, you wanna go home, you wanna eat, you wanna do something else, you wanna sit and not do anything, but you gotta keep going. And if you can keep going when your back hurts and when you're tired and when your feet hurt, and when all you wanna do is stop, and if you can keep going, you're cut out for this world. You're cut out to be a business owner. You're cut out to make something huge, to make something great, and to do something giant with your life. So keep grinding, keep doing what you need to do. And I'm almost done. I have to take out the chairs and that shelf, and that I'm gonna have to figure out how I can prop it up on the little dolly right here and do it myself and try not to break anything. I did break a couple jars of glitter just because it was probably a 2-person job to carry that big of a box just because of how big it was, and it was on the way down to the floor. I kind of just like lost grip. The side of the box where I was holding tore, and it just slipped a tiny bit and just broke a couple jars. So that's that. But I think I can get it by myself. I just cut the ever-living heck out of my leg building that thing. So I'm a little scared. But after I am done taking the chairs, I'm gonna go ahead and sweep up a little bit and get this area clean, and then pack up what I need to take home. And still haven't done this desk. Procrastination. At least I'm not like procrastinating it forever. I'm just doing other things right now. It will get done, just like very last, because I don't want to do it. Priorities. Yeah. I feel as though there's not tons of room left in the storage unit, so the arch might be coming home with us, but maybe not. I'll try to fit everything in. I can stack some of the chairs up. Yeah, I'll get it done. It'll work out. I think I'm gonna take the white chair home, but I might not, because it might stay cleaner at the storage unit, you know? Oh, the things we realize and have to work on. Okay, I'm gonna go put all the chairs and everything. Honestly, I don't think that black bookshelf is coming to the new store. I think it's gonna go home with me. So I'm just gonna put that in the car. That one's really finicky, like you can't really do a lot with it. If you move it the wrong way, it's gonna fall apart. Kind of cheap bookshelf board thing. So I gotta be really careful with that. So I'm gonna go shove a ton of chairs in my car. Yay. I just wanna take like a 4-minute break. But I'm like almost done, home stretch, we can do it, yo. I'm at the storage unit, obviously. This is like almost my last trip here. I am dead. It is 3:53. I am dead. Do you think I can make it? I can do this. We can do this. Guys, just dropped off the chairs. The last thing to bring is this. It is seriously a 3-person job. I don't know how I'm gonna do this alone, but hopefully we'll find out and maybe we'll see. Otherwise, I'm gonna start cleaning everything else and wait for help on that. But I would love to get it out of here because I wanna be done. Further consideration was made. I can't do this alone. It will break everything, basically. So I'm just gonna leave this here and I'm gonna start bringing, I don't even know if I can get that in the truck. Yeah, I can definitely get it in the truck. I'm just, I'm just gonna have to wait until tonight. Hopefully me and my husband can come tonight, pick that up and bring it. So in the meantime, I'm going to move my car around to the back and load up everything from the back. I'm gonna grab the boxes over here real fast and do that first and then get cleaning and get finished. Well, that's all, folks. We're done. I can't speak. Thank you for letting me start my journey here. What we have, what is coming is amazing and unbelievable. But this place is where Brie Maquillage was born and it just stinks to leave. I'm really, I'm sad, but very excited for the future, so. Thanks for being here. And we will see you in the next location.